Alright, so here we are, number 3. We're using the same data. Well, actually, we're using different data in the same table. So, on the axis below, make a scatter plot of precipitation against latitude using the data above. Okay, so the two that we care about are precipitation and latitude. So we're just going to go through here and plot each one of these. So for Atlanta, we've got precipitation is 5.9, so that'd be roughly right here. And I'm going to go as high as 34. That would roughly be about right there. It's almost perfectly in between 30 and 40. And well, actually, that looks like 4.1 for Boston. So 4.1 would be just barely past 4, and then up to 42. So that would be about right there. All right, and then for Buffalo, we've got 3 and up to 43, so 3 inches of precipitation. I'm going all the way up to 43. That would be not quite in the middle. All right, and Dallas, we got 2.4 for precipitation, so 2.4 is kind of in the middle here almost. And then I'm going up to 33. So we got 33 would be maybe right around here. The next one is Houston, Texas, 2.7. So 2.7 is about right here. And then we're going to go up to 30, which would be about right there. All right. Kansas City, 2.1. So 2.1 is just barely past 2. For precipitation, we're going to go up to 39, so it's about right here. All right. Lexington, we've got 4.8. So 4.8 would be way down this way and up to 38 degrees north latitude. And so I've done those. Los Angeles, 2.4. So that's kind of right here in the middle. And we're going up to 34, so that'd be, I guess, right about there. We've got Miami, 1.9. So that's just right in front of 2.0. So 1.9 for precipitation up to 26. So that would be right around here. And then Nashville, we've got 5.6. So we've got 5.6 would be roughly right here. And then we're going up to 36. So that would be maybe right around here. All right. So there we go. There's my scatter plot. It kind of looks like it kind of goes up and then it kind of goes down, doesn't it? Okay, so let's look at our next question. Is there a correlation between precipitation and latitude? And I'm going to have to say no, there's not a very strong correlation, because I can't say that it's a positive correlation where it's constantly going up, you see, because like this data right here is not going upward, all right? And then I can't say it's a negative correlation, because even though all of these guys look like they're heading downward, what about all these guys down here? So I can't say it's a negative correlation either. So I would have to say that this is no correlation. If there is a correlation, it's so weak that it's not obviously positive or negative. So if so, is it positive? And we're going to say no, it's not a positive correlation. I can't say that it is. It might kind of be positive, kind of like going through like this, and maybe that guy's an outlier. But if that's the case, it is so weak, it is not obvious. So to me, it looks more like it was going up, and now it's like heading downward like this. And so that would indicate most likely no correlation here. Not based on this data.